In this last segment of the program, let us pay tribute to the nation by singing some Deshabhakti songs. As well as in this segment, we will also hear some regional songs. We will end this program by compositions and thumri in Rag Bhairavi.
ये Before we hear Ekla Chalore, let's listen to few messages from students of Srimati Geeta Anand for Geetanjali.
I started learning music from Gitanand ma'am. My name is Saurabh. When I was doing my masters from EC department and Indian Institute of Science, I came in contact with Gitanand ma'am. And Gitanjali group is such a wonderful group where any age people can start their musics. And Madam gives lot of support, lot of encouragement, and always tells not to give up.
I started learning music with Geeta Auntie when I was 6 years old. I remember running across the street to her house every Wednesday at 5:30 after school. I also remember our first Guru Purnima. We'd gone all the way near Brigade Gateway, and I was really proud of myself. I was singing one of the rags that the older kids would sing. I was singing Bihar, well, all of you guys, you were singing Durga and Jaunpuri and Bhoop. I was old.
So I joined Geeta Aunty when I was 4 years old. And I remember every Guru Purnima since I joined, I would be one of the last ones to choose my rag.
Always, Geeta Aunty would always ask me, have you spoken to Ashna? Is she going to choose a rag herself this time?
Every time she would be one of the first ones to choose her rag. She would choose it almost just after the previous Guru Purnima, and she was always ready with her rag. She knew what exactly she's doing, and Geeta Aunty would ask me that are you going to choose this time? Like, can you choose anything now so that we start practicing? And I would be all, I don't know, and she would always find this best suited rags for me, and I would
Yeah,
just
that's
do
true.
as she said. And yeah, that was my Guru Purnima.
You tell me one thing. Have you ever chosen a rag for yourself for Guru Purnima or any performance actually?
That is actually a good question. Except I did choose Rag Megh for one of my solo performances, and Rag Megh also happens to be our Guruji's favorite rag as
Definitely,
well.
she loves rag.
Yeah, it's my favorite too. So that was one rag that I chose. I can take credit for that.
Remember there was these, summer mornings where we would go to Geeta Auntie's house.
Yeah.
Like a lot of us, maybe like 15 of us or so.
Yeah.
And we would all go sit in her room and we would all learn this one song together.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
in our summer vacations, we used to, around like a couple of kids, we used to fit into this one small mat of Geeta Aunties, and one of these songs were Bana Bana Dhundana, and I remember learning that with a whole lot of people, and it was so much fun.
Yeah. I also remember when we used to especially practice, at your place when I was struggling with Jhaptal and
Yeah.
I was learning Rag Megh again.
Yeah.
And we'd go to your place and we'd had extra practice with.
Hogarji. One of my favorite memories of Hogarji are so I was getting ready for a performance, and as usual, he would help all of us. He would give us a lot of confidence about singing it at this so and so speed. But I had practiced to sing my tans in Akar for that performance in 2 speeds. So that was my practiced plan. And when I was performing, I indicated that I would like to stop after the second speed. He did not stop. He went on to the next speed. And I was confused initially, and then I got scared because I had practiced only 2 speeds, and then I somehow caught up with the speed, and he gave me so much of confidence. It was just one glance, and it gave me so much of confidence.
No, one of
and
his glances just say ki, I know you can do this.
Exactly.
Just do it. You're that good.
Unsaid confidence.
Yes, you know that one.
Yeah.
You can do it. Just do it. I have control of the tal. You'll be fine.
Exactly. Speaking of memories, R.D. Burman show.
One of my
2017.
favorites.
Yes, it
Absolute
was one of the
favorites.
best Gitanjali performances.
R.D. Burman being one of our favorites.
Yes,
We
absolutely.
love his songs.
So, one of the actually pretty bad memories of my R.D. Burman show was it was 3 months of practice in scale C, and I was singing Rena Biti Jai, and that song anyway is sung in a high pitch.
That's a really difficult song as well.
And I practiced a lot for it. And my normal scale is A sharp, but I had to sing it in C. And the evening before the performance, my voice cracked in scale C in one of the high notes, and I had to immediately bring my scale down to B.
Right.
So disappointed.
3 months of practice.
Exactly.
So funnily, the same time when your voice cracked, this was the first time I had to move up a scale so much. My normal scale is G sharp, and I had to sing in scale C, and they would refuse to bring it down. Like, no, Apala, you can do this.
This
You
Kavita
have to
Krishnamurthy song.
exactly. You can do this. You have to sing in a pitch like this, and it was difficult. But the day we pulled it off,
Yeah.
it was one of the
It
best.
was totally worth it, even though we had our ups and downs and scales
Yeah.
and practice. It was completely worth it. And our special memory is
The first
Bhageshri.
Geetanjali with Bhageshri,
Yeah,
of course.
absolutely. That was our first duet, and that's
Yes.
one of the most memorable memories.
And I think that was the
in
first
music
time I did Vilambit.
yeah.
And so it was always, whenever we sang together, I would always choose the rag and she would always choose the songs in the rag.
Yeah.
And I had sung Bhageshri about 3-4 times before it being my favorite rag.
Yeah, it became her favorite, and then she chose the rag, and then it slowly inched towards my favorite as well. But no, I'm not taking it away.
That's okay. So I said, okay, we'll do Rag Bhageshri, and then Ushna chose the song, which just happened to be the one song that I had sung the past 4 times. So that was interesting. And Geeta auntie always told us to
Yeah.
keep a surprise. So
And listen to various compositions to get ideas.
inspiration,
Yeah.
you know, it could be a different kind of a taan or even a tarana, which
Yeah,
we
exactly.
finally did.
So my mother found a tarana online. She was just listening to a couple of Bhageshri compositions, and she came across this tarana, and she made us listen to a couple of the taranas. And as soon as we heard both the taranas together, we were like,
This one.
one.
We instantly fell in love with it, and you know, we had no idea of what the wordings were or what the entire
Exactly.
Swaraliti was, and we were sitting and figuring it out with a
Yeah.
harmonium on one side and a keyboard on the other, so that we got our notes
And the
right.
recording wasn't all that great. It wasn't a clear
Yeah, it was a
recording.
pretty old recording,
Yeah, it was a very old recording.
kind of distorted, and
Yeah.
it's like, yes, we know the basic keys of the rag,
Exactly.
and we're going to figure this out.
And
we
the-
didn't even know what tal it was.
Yeah. And the sargams and the tans in the tarana, they were so fast.
Yes.
We had to listen to like a couple of seconds over and over again to figure out what.
And then
notes
we did
were
not
touching.
know that YouTube had this option of slowing down
Yeah.
the video. So we heard it in twice the speed that we were going to sing.
Exactly. So there was a lot of work, but we enjoyed ourselves thoroughly for that
Yeah, that was
performance.
one incredible performance. I think Geeta auntie was really happy with that
Exactly.
final performance
Yeah.
as well. Because
And our performance had this, and not just music when the two of us perform.
Yes.
We always have this complementary system because one of us makes a mistake and the other one covers up.
or we both make the same mistake,
Yeah.
so you will never know that we made a mistake.
Exactly. And our Bhageshri was no different. I made a
Yeah.
mistake first. She covered it up for me.
Yeah.
She made one mistake and I covered it up for her. So
And
it was just.
And trust me, if you heard us sing, you would never know we messed up so much.
So, and that's all almost due to Geeta auntie's training.
Yes, and the amount of confidence she
Yes.
has in us.
Exactly.
With all of our work schedules and running around for
Yeah.
different classes
Yeah.
and still making up time for these
Exactly.
performances.
Yeah.
Geetanjali has been one hell of a ride.
Amazing.
Hi everyone. Many congratulations to Geetanjali for completing 5 full years of its formal foundation. But it's been many years since Geeta ma'am has been running this classical music group on campus. And I have been one of the lucky ones to have been a student of hers. I am Nagamani Jaya, currently an assistant professor in the Department of Metallurgical Engineering and Material Science at IIT Bombay, but of course, an alumni of the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. I graduated in the year 2013, and while a tad bit late, I discovered Geeta ma'am in the year 2012, I think, early 2012, if I'm not wrong. And although it was just about a year and a half that I learned with her, it really changed my life in so many ways. And not just the music, but the warmth, the kindness, and the hospitality of both Geeta ma'am and Anand sir is something that I have always cherished, and find it very unique. And I never have left a chance to visit them whenever I come back to Bangalore. So to start with it all, I think I was at the stage when I was writing my or beginning to write my thesis, and then things were in the process of churning and so on. So in the process, I thought, why not join a music class as a stress buster? Well, I had learned Carnatic classical earlier, but I thought I wanted to try Hindustani music at that point. Some good friend of mine who also happened to be a Guru Bandhu later told me that these classes were running, and I went there, and immediately she took me in, and I was very surprised to hear that she had about 100 odd students back then, and she would conduct one-on-one classes, giving individual attention to everyone. And these were not just music classes, but they were also there were lots of interactions that were about life in general, which I learned a lot from her. And I think we shared so many other common things that we could talk about. And there was also a genuine friendship that built between the teacher and the student, which is something, again, very unique. If you look at traditional music schools, then the relationship between the teacher and the student is very different. But with Geetanjali, you will find that to be what you call as hatke or alag. And I'm sure all my Guru Bandhus will agree. So I had a very enjoyable time going to the classes itself. But more than that, she gave me so many opportunities to perform on stage. And that also added to the confidence that I had. And because of this, I also met so many students outside of my own department with whom I've had friendships going, and we are still in touch as well. So all in all, it was a beautiful experience that I still cherish to today. And I look forward to attending as many concerts and programs of Geetanjali as possible. And I keep bugging ma'am to send me some of the recordings whenever I'm not able to attend and I miss the programs. But I wish Geetanjali all the very, very best. And I hope more students utilize this opportunity when they're on campus, because I think IISc is a very unique place that way, that there are so many connoisseurs of classical music, and you have an opportunity to learn something from such a wonderful teacher that I would really encourage people to join if they have interest in music, and that also helps us appreciate music better. And definitely calm our minds, and maybe become also more productive in our other work, research work, or some other thing that we are going to be engaged in the future. It has definitely helped me calm myself down whenever I'm in stress. And not only that, it gives so much joy and so much happiness to be able to sing and also to listen to good music. So I wish all the very best to Geetanjali, to all the Guru Bandhus, and wish this program a huge success, as well as would like to see it grow from strength to strength. Thank you.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে। একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে। তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে। ওরে ও মুখে আয়ে সবাই করে ভয় তবে হঠাৎ খুলে ও তুই বুক খুলে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে ও তুই বুক খুলে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে
সবাই ফিরে যায়
ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা সবাই ফিরে যায় যদি কখন পাতে যাবার কালে কেউ ফিরে না যায় যদি কখন পাতে যাবার কালে কেউ ফিরে না যায় তবে পথের কাটা তুই রক্ত মাখা চরণ তলে একলা বলো রে ও তুই রক্ত মাখা চরণ তলে একলা বলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা আলোটা ধরে যদি ঝড় বদলে আঘাত রাখে ধোঁয়া দেয় ঘরে যদি ঝড় বদলে আঘাত রাখে ধোঁয়া দেয় ঘরে তবে পথটা ধরে আগুন বুকে পাজর জ্বালিয়ে নিয়ে একলা ধরো রে আগুন বুকে পাজর জ্বালিয়ে নিয়ে একলা ধরো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে
ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ
विठ्ठल.
Let us listen to few messages from students of Srimati Geeta Anand about Geetanjali, and then let us end this magical program by compositions and Thumri in Rag Bhairavi. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankur Raina. I work as a postdoc student at the University of Arizona. It gives me extreme pleasure and happiness to congratulate Geeta ma'am and the Geetanjali group on the 5th year anniversary. I've been a student of Geeta ma'am since January 2015. I feel grateful to Avanish who led me to Geeta ma'am and especially to Geeta ma'am to have accepted me as her student. She guided me step by step and had profound impact on my singing. The one-on-one classes gave me a lot of comfort and I could learn without any inhibitions. She amplified my strengths and nudged me in the right direction whenever I made mistakes. Her confidence in me was so much that she even encouraged me to perform on stage, something that I had never dreamt of. I feel very grateful to be part of the Gharana and in the Parampara. I share a very special bond with her, and I'm sure the same is true with every student of hers. I wish Geeta ma'am good health and all the students of Geetanjali group lots of success. May it inspire many more students to learn classical Hindustani music. In the end, I want to just share a line that reminds me of the transformation that is possible in her divine presence. द्वार दया का जब तू खोले पंचम सुर में गूंगा बोले.
Namaskar.
Thank you so much.
I am Chinmay Lohni. I am Geeta ma'am's ex-student, currently pursuing my PhD in economics at the University of Pennsylvania. I recall my classes with Geeta ma'am with much fondness during my time at IISc. She has an incredible energy about her, and ma'am spends a very large amount of resources in making sure that her students learn well, which is also demonstrated by the meticulousness with which Geetanjali operates and conducts its programs, which are honestly some of the finest I have seen in my time in IISc. It was a wonderful experience being a part of all this, and I wish you all the very best as you take it forward.
Hi, I am Mainak, and I am an alumnus of the Indian Institute of Science, where I earned my PhD in 2013 while working in the Department of Molecular and Cell Biology. I currently work as a senior scientist for a company called LineoBio in Germany, which is based partly in the two cities of Aachen and Dusseldorf. Gitanjali was founded when I was learning Hindustani classical music under the tutelage of my Guruji Srimati Geeta Ramaswamy. And I feel blessed to have been a part of this fantastic group where I not only learned the basics of Hindustani classical music, but I was also encouraged to present what I had learned in front of diverse audiences. I wish my Guruji Srimati Geeta Ramaswamy a very long and healthy life so she can keep teaching and encouraging all the future budding artists, and I wish Gitanjali all the best as a musical group.
Namaste. My name is Sham Gaurav. It was back in 2012 when Sabiha made me meet Geeta ma'am, and I have been her student since then. It's because of Gitanjali group that I am still connected to music, and I'm very happy being a part of it. I'm working currently in Braunschweig, Germany, for a company called 26, and I've been working since 2016 here.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Verma, and I'm in touch with Gitanjali from last many years, around 3.5 years, and it is my pleasure that I've been in touch with this particular group. And actually I was alone in Bangalore when I come for doing job. At that time I came in touch with Nikhil, and through Nikhil I came in touch with Gitanjali group. Since then I'm in this particular group, so I'm very happy to be here, and I learn a lot. I've got a lot of chances to perform over here, and since I do little poetry, so even I got chance for writing a poem for Gitanjali. So thank you very much, Gitanjali.
बाजू बंद खोले खोले जाए सावरिया ने कैसा जादू डाला बाजू बंद खोले खोले जाए जादू की पुड़िया जादू की पुड़िया बराबर मारी कैसे वो बेचारा बन जाए बाजू बंद खोले खोले जाए. Another old composition. भवानी दयानी महाबाकवानी सुरनर मुनि जनमानी सकल बुधयानी भवानी दरे जा दरे जा दरे जा रंगे तो वाली दरे जा जा रंगे तो वाली तोहे देखूंगी कैसा नारी तोहे देखूंगी कैसा नाट खट है खिलाड़ी दरे जा रंग तो पे वाली तोहे देखूंगी कैसा नट बन